Hold on a minute. Do you want to see how glass bottles are made, or some awesome inventions you would like but maybe not know about yet? Then come with me and let's check this out. Curb roller. Talk about a time saver. Don't be fooled working with concrete. It is a tedious job, and some tasks are even more complicated than you would imagine. Thankfully, there are machines like the curb roller to allow the task to flow more smoothly and efficiently. While the curb roller has many functions, it is most known for making a perfect concrete curb that manual labor find it hard to do. The curb roller, as seen on your screen, can be used to construct sidewalks, ramps, gutters, curbs, and several partitions. Even though the curb roller comes in several series and basic design, they pretty much all work the same. The roller moves and rotates at a continuous speed while being covered in cement, smoothing out cement in just seconds. In the end, you will get a curb or sidewalk in the required shape with little effort from manual workers. These drums are replaceable and come in different sizes, as the manufacturer offers over 30 varieties for various projects. The shape and size of the drum you choose will be directly related to the job you have to do and the finish you desire. InvisiPools. Where do I get one of these? If you have always wanted a pool but can't give up the backyard space, or you want a pool that can also be a sprinkler system for your young kids or a splash bed for older kids, then you are in the right place. Take a look at the InvisiPool, developed by a company in North America called InvisiPools. While various companies have different versions of an underground or hidden pool, this design stands out among others. Let us tell you why. When the hidden pool is not in use, add some furniture to the cover surface and you have a beautiful patio. There's no evidence of a pool or that water is underground. Better yet, turn the area into a fountain and allow your younger children you wouldn't want in a pool to play around. This cover protects your pool from sun, leaves, and animals, but it keeps your water fresher longer, lessening the cost you would have to pay to maintain a pool. Crafco Crack Repair. There is nothing worse than having cracks in the roadway. While these cracks may look minor, if they are not handled promptly, will lead to potholes, which are an even bigger issue to fix. The cause of cracks in the road may stem from several factors, which include temperature change, natural disasters, or also not being built well in the first place. But no need to worry, as the Crafco Crack Repair offers a quick and easy solution to this problem. The Crafco Crack Repair seeks to eliminate the effects of water and sun rays to the road, using a unique silicone sealant instead of the conventional ones, which, in return, causes the streets to last longer and reduces the cost of road repairs, as seen in this road repair being conducted by American company Crafco. This unique sealant compresses and stretches as the pavement moves, limiting the damage that water and sunlight can do, thus protecting the surface of the road. KYOSHO Trail King. Wow, are you seeing this? The KYOSHO Trail King is an all-season, all-terrain 1:12 scale model of the trap truck. Built by a Japanese company, the KYOSHO Trail King comes packed with several unique features. For starters, it is functional. Even though these are models, the doors can open and shut. The vehicle also has Caterpillar tracks as wheels, which makes it possible to travel across the country even at this size. Did we mention that these trucks can go on all-terrain? Oh yes, we did. The truck can travel on grass, rough road pavements, pedals, and much more. And what's even cooler is that they are only priced at $325 US. Are you getting one? MF2370 Ultra HD. Now, this is cool. Take a look at the MF2370 Ultra HD. Each year as harvesting ends, a vast amount of hay and straw is left to waste. This is unfortunate as the straw and grass can be a very good food to livestock. This is where a machine like the MF2370 Ultra HD comes in. This powerful machine can collect, pack, and stock hay until it is ready for use. The oppressor on the bale packs the hay firm to store up to 3 years. MF2370 Ultra HD preserves the quality of the hay while limiting how much of the hay is wasted. Even the hay goes through a drying process. This time-saving machine was manufactured by an American company called Massey Ferguson. It packs up to 20% more hay than other devices with similar capabilities. Not to mention, it is compact and made to last. This model was designed to execute at the highest performance rate possible, saving both time and money. Naïo DINO. Have you ever wondered how large farms function? Well, look at this. Whether it's automatic crop counting, getting rid of weeds, or its independent navigation, the Dino is an intelligent robot developed by Naïo Technology, a group of specialists from France. It was made with built-in cameras and a smart system that can analyze and pick out weeds once it enters its lens. In only 1 hour, this machine can cover up to 5 hectares of a field while operating at its speed of 4 kilometers per hour, something you would probably need more than 100 manual workers to do. Dino, like a human mind, would learn the craft as it seems to get better at what it does over time, thanks to the mechanical algorithms implemented. Dino helps farmers assess what is going on in the farm while removing the need to use harmful chemicals like pesticides. Covana, Evolution, and OASIS. Now this list keeps getting better and better. Let us show you a spa-like pool that could have you in the backyard all year round. A Canadian company called Covana offers a hot tub solution so dynamic you will not be able to resist. This hot tub comes with its cover, which can be elevated as a roof to block the sun while you relax and be pampered in the pool. While these pools come in several models, there are not just quite like these. The Evolution and OASIS models are similar versions with similar designs that make the difference in how they look. With the press of a button, you could transform what seems like a regular pool into a fully functioning hot tub. The beauty of these hot tubs is just how much electricity you will save as the covers go down. It does not let heat out due to its low thermal conductivity. The roof of the Evolution hot tub is flat, while the one on the OASIS is sloped, making for easy cleaning and maintenance. Glass bottles manufacturing. Here's another mind blower. How do they make glass bottles? Well, this simple yet complex process may have something to do with it. The entire process begins with the molding and making of the shape you want your bottle to be in. Molds are then cut from steel, and before all of these, they use sand, limestone, recycled glass, and soda ash as the raw materials for the glass creation. They then mix the ingredients and add it to the furnace, which runs right through the day and night at 2800 degrees temperature. This mixture is then melted until it has the texture of honey. Then it is sent through the glass forming machine by gravity being cut by a sharp blade. The result of this is then heated again to be held into the final shape. After this, the glass has a few more steps to ensure that it is sturdy and ready for distribution. The boxes that will house these bottles are then sprayed to limit the number of marks that may appear to the container. Cool, don't you think? We sure do hope you enjoyed today's episode. You know the drill. Like, share, and subscribe for more awesome videos. See you next time.